Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I don't know about you, but one of my daily goals is to drink a good amount of water. And so having a big cup like this one from Aussie Life is really so helpful for me to meet my daily intake goals. This cup is a 40-ounce stainless steel tumbler. It is a beautiful ivory cream color, and they have other colors as well. One thing that I love about it is that it keeps it completely sealed at the top, so you can keep everything in the cup all day. That nice, fresh, cold ice water. The cup is narrow at the bottom, so I really like it because I can fit it into my car cup holder with no problem. It does not fall out, even with the sharpest of turns while I'm driving. The cup has a really generous size handle, so it's really easy to grab and to hold and to get that water intake. This cup is great for hot or cold as well. So if you're a super heavy duty coffee or tea drinker, you will love being able to use this cup. And it does not sweat at all when it's on my desk or wherever I decide to place this cup. Such a cool idea to have a generous, really trendy and really pretty cup in the 40-ounce size. I love being able to have all of the water that I need to take in all the time, and it stays nice and cold with this great insulated cup. And that's my point of view.